Guys, on your right hand side you can see Arabian Sea. So finally we are on Gujarat Coastal Highway.
Hi, good morning guys.
So we are out for breakfast. That's Arabian Sea.
Good, nice morning. This is what Dwarka looks like. We are on the streets of Dwarka searching for breakfast. Two hungry riders.
Two
greedy hungry riders. So once we complete our breakfast, we will be heading towards Porbandar and Diu. Look, this is what, lots of temples everywhere. It's a religious place, not a very biker friendly place, I must say. This is what it looks. So let's first find a breakfast joint and then I'll catch up with you guys. आलू पराठा, पूरी भाजी, डोसा बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है.
डोसा एंड पूरी भाजी.
पूरी भाजी हैवी नहीं होता.
हैवी हो जाएगा.
आलू पराठा भी हैवी होगा ना.
इडली सांभर को
इडली सांभर नहीं, डोसा है.
तो आलू पराठा है. आलू पराठा
અને સારી ચા ઓછી ખાંડવાળી બહુ ઓછી નહીં પણ
एक चाय.
We have ordered aloo parathas. As you can see, they look okay, but they're not that great. ठीक है, मतलब यहाँ पे जो भी खाने को मिल रहा है खा सकते हैं. बाकी, what do you say, Abdul? Are they good? No, they're not good.
according
They're
to
not good.
our standards.
By our standards, no. This place, don't try aloo paratha.
The roads are really bad and we have to go at a speed of 20-30 kilometers. You can see they're constructing new roads, they're making new roads. So because of that reason, this is like from not even, I think, 10 kilometers from Dwarka, and I've been moving last time now 10 kilometers. So this is a place in between I have found. It's all you can see. This is sea. The sea starts from here, and if you see, this is all. It's all mucky. One would not be able to go inside, but that is where, if you can further see, that's the sea. So the coastal trip actually starts now, where we are like touching the sea and we are traveling with the sea. And if you can spot a nice small bird there, I don't know you can see it in the camera or not, but this is awesome. This is beautiful. Must hai yaar. Amazing. Wow. Guys, on your right hand side you can see Arabian Sea. So finally we are on Gujarat Coastal Highway. That's Arabian Sea. a lunch break and we have ordered for some good non-veg food. I hope it's good. We ordered for non-veg food for them.
It's in Mang Road.
It's at Mang Road. We stopped at Mang Road. This is so माधवपुरा के बाद में आता है. फिलहाल चलाने के लिए थम्स अप मंगाया है जो हम स्टील की ग्लास में पी रहे हैं. If food comes, I'll show you guys. So the food has come. We are having, this is chicken curry, chicken masala, and that is prawn masala, jhinga masala with rotis. How is it, Atul?
Good.
Jhinga masala is good. I can't taste it, but
Taste is a bit different than the normal jhinga masala.
okay.
It must be the
Local delicacy. Okay. Well, let's meet it with chicken masala. It's a bit oily है और थोड़ा एग करी का टेस्ट आता है. तो मतलब that means it's an onion gravy. Good. So I'll vlog after some time when we finish our lunch. We have to finalize the route also अभी और route में changes सोच रहे हैं. Let's see. चलो. So then take care. Finally, we are having dinner. That's the dinner. भाकरी की रोटी with बैगन का साग, बैगन भरता, आलू की सब्जी, कड़ी and chunda I think. Oh, amazing food. Typical traditional food. Good taste. So, to sum up today's ride, was too good. Lot of off-roading and
Forced off-roading.
And we had to the coastal highway. What we had thought, I think maybe if we come down 1 year down the line, then it would be better because the roads are getting made. So I would suggest if anybody wants to do a Gujarat coastal highway, this is not the right time to do it. Wait for 1 year, let the roads get built, and then do it. Then it would be fun. Yes, we have cut down the, as you know, we cut down our route. और अभी हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, हम लोग गिर आ गए. We are in गिर. And we are enjoying the forest environment because we didn't feel that बाकी कुछ आगे है कोस्टल राइड में देखने के लिए, इसलिए हमने कोस्टल कम गिर सेंचुरी राइड कर दिया. So Atul, what about you? What is your?
और कुछ चाहिए आपको? नहीं.
मेरे को रोटी दे दो. रोटी. Thank you.
और कुछ?
No. Atul, what is your verdict on this? Today's.
Actually, the today's decision that we made was very good because this is an amazing place where we are staying. Called Madhuvan Resort. Murlidhar Resort, sorry.
Madhuvan is the river which is
Madhuvanti.
crossing Madhuvanti, which is crossing the just before the resort. So there is a small stream which is actually a river, and that river is supposed to be the lifeline
for the Gir forest.
Gir forest. So all the animals living in Gir forest, lions and other animals, they depend on that river for water. And that is the water source.
And according to the owner of the resort, it flows 365 days of the year.
Yeah. So it's a, and what he said something, why uska kya Madhuvanti uska kya naam hai?
It seems that for 3 days, honey flowed in this river. It's a legend, local legend.
It's a local legend, so that's what it says.
That's why the river name is Madhuvanti.
I hope you guys have been enjoying it. Tomorrow we'll be going back to Ahmedabad. So we have still not decided, finalized on the route. There are two, 3 routes available to reach Ahmedabad. We will decide on that and then we'll decide which route to take, maybe Junagadh or straight away catch Rajkot highway, whatever. So we'll decide that tonight and then I'll update you guys. Tab tak, enjoy it. Have some good delicious food.
Like Salman says, do whatever you want.
मैं मुंबई का निकल से do whatever you want. Yeah.
हाँ? नहीं,
सब्जी चाहिए होगा.
बहुत अच्छा है, आराम से बैठ के खाने का बस.